A no-bake cheesecake is perfect for when you don't feel like turning on the oven, or for when you need an impressive yet effortless dessert by the next day. Make it all on the counter and let the fridge handle the rest. First things first, I'll place my mixing bowl in the freezer since I'll need it cold to make the whipped cream later. Now, the tough part is finding enough freezer space. While the bowl chills, I'll start on the crust. I'm going to pour graham cracker crumbs into a mixing bowl, along with brown sugar and a bit of salt. And lastly, I'll mix in some melted butter. Once everything is mixed, the texture should feel like wet sand. I'll line my springform pan with parchment paper and press the mixture firmly into the bottom to create the crust layer. I'll place the pan in the freezer to firm up faster, and I'll let it trade places with a cold mixing bowl. While it's cold, I'll whip the heavy cream with sugar until stiff peaks form, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, I'll transfer the whipped cream to another bowl, which makes room for the cream cheese to enter the bowl of the stand mixer. I'll add sugar and beat them together until it's fluffy and creamy. Once that's done, I'll mix in the sour cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. After everything is well combined, I'll fold in the whipped cream gently to keep the mixture light and airy. I almost forgot to do this, but definitely reserve half cup of this mixture to use for swirling and decorating the top layer later on. And now, I'll divide the mixture in half, one for the white layer and one for the purple layer. Now since my white mixture is already made, it's time to make the purple layer by adding in the ube ingredients of ube jam along with ube extract. We have everything all made, and now it's time to bring it all together, starting with the white layer poured over the crust. I'll grab the pan out of the freezer and evenly spread the mixture for a smooth base. Once it's even, I'll add in all of the purple mixture and spread evenly once again. It's time for the final step, which is decorating the top layer. I'll dollop the reserved white mixture over the top and smooth it out, before using a chopstick to make a swirly design. Not sure what I wanted, so I went with whatever looked good in the moment. I liked how it turned out, but I was particular about the colors not looking even on all areas. I also wanted a more purple finish, so I kept swirling until it became the dominant color. Unfortunately, I think I swirled a bit too much because the white streaks disappeared. But that's okay, I still like the design. I'll cover it up with plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge overnight to firm up. Here it is 2 days later, just in time for the layer reveal. A little bit messy, but I was still pleased with how the layers stacked up on top of one another. And there you have it, a no-bake ube cheesecake all made on the countertop and ready to be devoured. Not too bad for my first time making cheesecake. Thank you so much for watching and sharing a space with me here at our virtual table. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell to stay tuned for next week's video, where we make pizza for 8, so I'll need to make lots of pizza doughs. See you all in the next one.